This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by sorting and preparing so cycles are efficient and garments last. First, check pockets and zip closures. This prevents damage. Next, measure detergent for the load size. Too much creates residue, too little reduces cleaning. Then load clothes evenly around the drum, leaving roughly 10-15 centimeters of free space. This balance prevents vibration and improves tumbling. Once done, close the door firmly. Make sure the seal is clean so water stays inside and sensors read correctly. Now you choose the cycle and fine-tune settings to match fabric and soiling. Select cotton or synthetics for normal loads. Use delicate for fragile items and quick 15-30 for small, lightly soiled loads. Adjust temperature. Cold preserves dye, 40 degrees balances cleaning and care, 60 degrees for heavy stains and whites. Then set spin speed to remove water without stressing fibers, lower speeds for delicates. Finally, add pre-wash or stain treatments when needed so detergents can work effectively during the main wash. You finish by unloading promptly to prevent wrinkles and mildew, reshape items and follow label drying instructions. After each load, clean the filter and wipe the drum gasket. Leaving the door ajar helps the machine dry and prevents odors. If the machine won't drain or becomes noisy, stop the program and check the drain hose and filter for blockages, then redistribute an unbalanced load evenly. If the problem persists, power cycle the machine and consult the manual for error codes so you fix issues safely and quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.